Well, hi all, welcome to Kawasaki Restos with Kraza. Look, today it's just the next bike that I'm doing up. I'm not doing a full resto on it. It's a bike that I've had for, it's over 20 years now, and I think it's time to move it on. I've enjoyed it, and I've got a few other projects that I want to use the money that I get from this bike to fund some restos. So look, if you're interested in this bike, I'm doing a few things to it. It's a Z1R MK2. It's a low production bike. I think they only made like just over 3,300 worldwide. It's a D3 model. So yeah, this is the bike here. It was a bike that I entered in the Z1 rally that was in 2012, and it took out best Z1R MK2 at that rally. So it's a pretty original bike. It's an unmolested bike. If you're after a Z1R that you don't need to spend money on, this is probably a good one to buy. I mean, it's not going to be cheap. I haven't decided on the price yet, but I'm thinking it'll be over 30k when it's all the work's done. I'm going to change the pistons in the calipers, so it'll get a full freshen up. The motor will get serviced. The carbies will get pulled apart. I've got a new tyre coming for the rear. You can see I'm still working on it. And as you look at it, everything is original on this bike. It is a beautiful bike. So if you're after the Z1R MK2, this is really a good one to get. So look, thanks for tuning into the channel. If you're enjoying my content, I know I don't put much on, but yeah, this is the latest bike that I'll be featuring. Like I said, not a full resto, but you know, it is a beautiful bike. It's got the rear guard. The only thing that's not original, it's got period correct Coney shockers. The mufflers are stainless steel replicas from Stain Tune. They don't make these anymore, so they're a rare item. I do have the original mufflers, and they will be going with the bike. I also have original grips that I will be including in the sale. So really it's only like two things that are not original on this bike, the muffler and the shockers. It's a beautiful bike, and I'm hoping it goes to someone that really appreciates what this bike is. It probably belongs in a museum actually, but look, it's going to be up for sale in the next couple of months. It's only done 47,000 Ks. I bought it when I only had 19 and a half. So what have I done? I've done around 20,000 Ks on it. It's or just over 20,000. So yeah, it is a great bike. So look, like I said, it's going to get detailed and it will be put up for sale. So if you're interested in it, let me know. You're welcome to come and have a look at it if you're in Melbourne, Australia. So I'll export it overseas if somebody's really after one. So yeah, I'll upgrade the video as it's all put back together and it's fully detailed, and I'll list it again as for sale. I'll be putting it on Marketplace. I'll list it with the Z owners as well. So yeah, if you're after a beautiful Z1R MK2 unmolested, consider this. But yeah, it's not going cheap. Thanks for watching.